2017 to build out the execution and custody services. They would need to manage a rather custom Bitcoin fund. Yes, a lot of Bitcoin fund is so that they invest in the Bitcoin. A lot of big firm, a lot of big asset invest is about billion in the Spinoff. Yeah. This article is very useful for us to have a look in how blockchain, we see the blockchain purple, yeah, a lot of news. Okay, next see the other information to let us see Bitcoin should be 5% of the investment portfolio. Yes, let me see that. Yeah, Bitcoin is unique among investment assets, say Fidelity. New research that the couple of Bitcoin assets here. You can see here, this is Bitcoin here in the brief. Bitcoin investment research shows that Bitcoin extremely low correlation with other assets like stock or gold. The report considers situation of an investor allocating 5% of a monthly asset portfolio to Bitcoin. Fidelity has been considered support of Bitcoin and other digital assets. Yeah, this is really good news, and we see in some of the digital account. The digital say that we are excited to share the second report of Bitcoin investment material. In this piece, we explore Bitcoin role as uncorrelated alternative investment that may provide portfolio optimization benefits. Yeah, that's right. That's really interesting news information about how a lot of investment firm they jump in Bitcoin nowadays. Yes, BTC, how BTC won't be disrupted. And let's see how BTC won't be disrupted. BTC won't, there are so many reasons why BTC won't be disrupted, because it's based on the computing mining network. Yeah, and it's after, yeah, we see here all the news from the Mars. Mars force is said it cannot be disrupted because no because Bitcoin isn't correlated stock markets, stock market or gold. Thus, Bitcoin is a safe haven, by the way. But people have so many views. He also can share information about this. Yeah, maybe they want to find any safe haven because they want. Yeah, still say that I would take up a couple of days, but all this tech about BTC correlation in stock or digital had me a little annoyed. There's no correlation in the market bullish consistent. Yeah. In some AMD traders say that, explained in the recent tweets, it's about it would take up a couple of days, all this talk about BTC. Yeah. A lot of things, a lot of good news to say the bullish, a big boost in the Bitcoin. We also can see about DeFi Bitcoin. You can see here about Wall Street on a steroid DeFi, maybe the purple, but it's making us stronger. Yeah, that's right. It's last week watching spot on stream on YouTube. The feel that, oh, what's happening? Yes. Wolf Wall Street undefined performance is stronger. Programmer has found a way to replace the core service offering of Wall Street and an army of corporate lawyers with 809 of smart contract code. What is the DeFi? D in the DeFi stands for decentralized, meaning there's no intermediary in the process. Despite the raw and unspolished user interface, billions of dollar assets flow through new decentralized app every day. We are on the beginning of the global DeFi bubble, and there are already tokens worth more than Bitcoin. Some of these tokens are nothing more than a name, code, and smart marketing. There are shrimp, burger, spaghetti, and sushi tokens that have reached sky-high value, and many of these name tokens even have swell. It's madness in excess of the ICO bubble of 2017. Yeah, that's right. So can it be bad, or can we use technology for good? Anything that can be tokenized and can end up on DeFi application. The pace of development is intensive. Every day, new brilliant projects emerge. DeFi could end up being bigger than the internet one day. Anything possible now. All right, welcome. And let me share information to see how some of our audience out there. And let me interact with some audience now. Okay, where's our audience? Yes. Okay, let me say hello to our audience. Hello, Miss Wong NL. Hello, Hoàng Căng Vlog. Hello, yêu em Hồng. Hello, Nightbot. 안녕하세요. Hello, Jenny Hu. Hello, hello, Củ Long. Hello, Mr. Trần Căn Official. Hello, Miss Đắc Hành DL. It's nice to see you all here. Okay, let's continue with the article about the news today. How's the Bitcoin will jump to the 1400 is a historical again. Yeah. Is it anything? Let me share back some information about our news. It's about cryptocurrency. Okay, let's see here's a Bitcoin price, the Ethereum price, Tether, yeah, Ripple Bitcoin price now 11,400, nearly 400, yes. And now we see again. Okay, this one I need to. Okay, let me see information here. There's some question about the BitMex Research. Let's see the BitMex Research. We can go to the BitMex, which was several commit extreme. New report consumer. Yes, we go to the BitMex to see what's going on. What's going on with the BitMex? To see here. And now we go to see how BitMex Research. BitMex log. Okay. For me,